Life can be really tough, leaving us feeling weary and discouraged, at times even broken and lonely. It can cause us to doubt that things can get better, but you don't have to feel isolated and you aren't alone. The church is a place where we can all find hope. Hope that all is not lost. Hope that things can be restored. Hope that we can overcome. Hope that the best is yet to come. This hope is found in the person of Jesus Christ. I invite you to join us and find out that in Him and through each other, we have community that makes us strong. So come with me to church because hope is here.